In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to take screenshots of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. So you can take screenshots easily by pressing both buttons once, okay? So press these two buttons, this one, the home button and the back button, okay? So press them once simultaneously and release, okay? So let's do it together. So put two fingers on either button, 1, 2, go, press and release, and you should see something going up, okay? So let's do it again. That took a screenshot. So let's try another page like this one, for instance. 1, 2, go, press once and release, and when you see something going up, it means the screenshot has been taken. So all your screenshots are available if you go to the app screen and then scroll to the gallery. You can see the gallery icon here, tap on it and you'll see all your screenshots there. Okay, so here are my screenshots. Okay, now you can also access these screenshots from your paired phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 which is paired to this, but it can work on any phone, especially Samsung phones. So on your Samsung phone, simply go to the gallery, and in the gallery you should see your screenshots there, okay? Because there's a special album in your gallery called Watch, where all the screenshots from your watch are saved, okay? So that's basically how to take screenshots of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.